Hello guys, welcome to another tutorial of Android. In this tutorial, I will tell you about how to send an email using intent. So for this, open your studio and create a new project. I am opening the layout file that holds my activity. Okay, so in this layout file, I am creating a button. So the mandatory attributes of any view is layout underscore width, which is required. So I'm giving wrap content and height wrap content. Now the caption which is visible on the button, so I'm giving a caption send email. Okay, now I have to create this string in the string resource file. For creating this string, open your values folder, and inside the values folder open string.xml file. Now here you create that string send underscore email. Send email. Okay, now again go to the layout file and check the preview of this layout. So it takes some time to initializing all the rendering file. Yeah, you can see in the preview window the layout, the button is appears in the layout file like this. I just gave the caption send email. Which for this I created a string in the string resource file. Now I have to give the ID to this button, which I use in the activity to set a click listener on it. So I'm giving email or action email. Send email. Okay. Now open your activity file and create the reference of this button. So button m email equal to typecast with button and find view by id r dot id dot action email send email. Yeah. Now after initializing the button, you need to add the listener on it. So I am adding a click listener anonymously. Set on click listener, new on click listener. Yeah. Now here open email client. I am commenting here, but email client using intent. Okay. Now for this I have to launch an intent that or run launch that intent that opens all the activity that handles that can handle email functionality. So I am creating an intent email intent. Yeah, this is implicit type intent. New intent. Here first I have to pass the action. So I am passing intent dot action send to, and the second parameter I have to pass the URI and call it from pass method. This method contains 3 arguments. The very first is scheme, that's open all the application in your phone that can able to handle the scheme, and the second is SSP, which is scheme specific part, and the third is the fragment, if you want to open a fragment for this action. So in this scheme I have to pass mail to, and the SSP here I pass because this intent is basically for sending an email. So the scheme I pass is mail to, and the second argument which is called SSP, scheme specific part, here I have to pass an email address where I am sending this email. So I am passing tarun.jshi@evontech.com, and the second argument is, and the third argument is the null. For the third argument I am passing null because I am not using any fragment for this to handle this functionality. Okay, now I also have to add the subject of my email. So for this we have to call put extra method, and in the first argument I have to call the extra subject. Here you have to pass the subject of your email. I am passing welcome to Fine Nerd, and now in the second put extra, again call the put extra method and call extra underscore text. This is for the body of your email. Here body of email goes. Now call start activity and pass the intent chooser method of intent class. Here need to pass the target intent, which is just I created email intent, and the message that appears. the create chooser method will open all the activities, all the applications in your app, in your phone that can handle the email functionality. So I will run this program. Yeah. Yeah, it's taking some time. So what I did, meanwhile I tell you what I did in this tutorial. This tutorial is basically belong to the how to send an event, how to send an email using implicit intent. So for this, I create a button and set a click listener on it, and set a click listener on it, and then pass the email, initialize the intent with the action and the URI that I need to pass, and add its subject and text body using put extra method. So let me check. Yeah, it's running in the emulator. Yeah, I have a button send email. Now I'm clicking. Now I'm clicking on this button. After clicking, you can see that a email client is open. Since I have only one client in my emulator, once you run this application in your phone, you have it will first ask, the phone will first ask you to open, to select your email client of your choice. So here you can see that uh, I'm sending the email to tarun.joshi@evontech.com that I pass in the intent constructor, and the subject that I pass in put extra of the intent, welcome to FindNerd, and the body also here. So this is just a small tutorial on how to send an email in Android. I hope you like this tutorial. Have a nice day.